This is an opportunity for you to get trained physically by me or any of our instructors on Protastructure for structural analysis and building design and AutoCAD for structural detailing and printing, as well as Revit for architectural building models, 3D floor plans, elevation sections, and so on and so forth, and VRAY for building rendering, photorealistic building renderings. Come with me and let me show you the course outline that we're going to be exploring during the course of this 1 month training. Okay, so this training is going to be lasting for 1 month. That is, the structural engineering training is going to last for 1 month, while the architectural design training is also going to last for 1 month. So depending on the one you are going for, you can register for it. So the structural engineering training is going to be holding on Tuesdays and Thursdays, while the architectural design training is going to be holding on Mondays and Wednesdays. So here's the curriculum for the structural design training. First week, we're going to be discussing the principles of structural design, where we're going to be understanding the fundamental principles and things you need to know before you open the software: concrete grids, steel grids, types of reinforcements, and so on and so forth. And then we're going to be starting several projects, residential building projects first. We're going to be modeling them, analyzing them, adding the loads, adding the materials, and designing them, all right, as well as commercial buildings. We're also going to be discussing different types of foundations, like a pad foundation, raft, pile, and strip foundation. And then we are going to be going into detailing with AutoCAD, from the basics, how you can detail your beams, your slabs, your columns, your staircase, and so on and so forth. Right? Now, under the architectural design, we are going to be going through Revit interface. We are going to be understanding, first of all, the principles of architectural design, like the spacing, the standard sizes of your bedrooms, your kitchen, your sitting rooms, and so on. And then we are going to be doing a 4-bedroom duplex project with a pitched roof. And then we're also going to be adding the staircase, the ramps, the parapets, roofs, doors and windows, and so on. Now, Revit has a library of components which I'm going to be using, which we are going to be using rather in the course of the training, where you can find your custom doors, custom windows, custom whatever, custom table, chairs, whatever. You can add them in your project. And then we're going to proceed to VRAY. We're going to be understanding the material chaos library of VRAY, where you can import any kind of materials you want from the VRAY library. All right, you can import your terrazzo, your tilings, your wall materials, and whatever. We're also going to be understanding lighting techniques, because that's very important for photorealistic images. Okay, we're going to be understanding VRAY light mix, and we're going to be understanding day and night simulation of your project, how it will look in the daytime and how it will look in the nighttime, and so much more. So these are more are what we are going to be discussing. Additionally, we are going to be having project assessments during the course of the training. Here are some examples of some projects that you would be able, or that you should be able to do by the end of the 1 month training. This is a bungalow design, okay, that I made for a client, and this is another one. Okay, you can see how the photorealistic images are looking. This is the most recent one. This is a twin duplex design. Okay, here you have the entrance to the first flat, and here you have the entrance to the second flat. All right, and then you have this upstairs, and then the central staircase. Okay, so these are what we are going to be doing. Now, in terms of structural design, you are going to be understanding how to detail your different structural members, like your columns. This is a standard detail of column. This is a detailing template that we're going to be using to do all our detailings in the course of the training. This is a standard column detail. You can see on pad foundation, and then this is the foundation layout, all right, and this is the slab detail, all right, and so the slabs are called out here. So this is according to British code, right? According to British code, this is standard detailing procedure for different structural members. This is a beam detail. You can see you have the bottom reinforcement, the top reinforcement, the links, alright, as well as the lapping lengths. These are the important information you need for a beam detail. And then this is section, alright. Top reinforcement is 3 number of wide 16 mm, bottom reinforcement 3 number of wide 16 mm, and then the links. This is the depth of the beam and this is the depth of the slab. So these are more what we are going to be treating in the course of the tutorial. So we are going to be using this detailing template to do all our detailings in the course of the training. So if you are interested in learning either architectural design with Revit and VRAY, or you are interested in learning structural design with Protastructure and AutoCAD, then you can click on the link below and register for the training, and our student support representative will reach out to you with further